Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard trifle. First, let's prepare the rich, creamy custard that forms the heart of this delightful dessert. You'll need fresh eggs, granulated sugar, whole milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Whisk the egg yolks and sugar together until they're pale and fluffy. Then, slowly warm the milk and carefully temper it into the egg mixture, stirring constantly to prevent scrambling. Cook this over low heat until it thickens beautifully. Now that your custard is cooling, it's time to assemble the layers. Start by placing a generous layer of sponge cake or ladyfingers at the bottom of a clear trifle dish. Next, moisten the cake with a splash of sherry, fruit juice, or a light simple syrup for extra flavor. Then, add a vibrant layer of fresh fruit, like sweet strawberries, ripe raspberries, or juicy sliced peaches. These layers build the foundation for a truly stunning dessert. With your fruit and cake layers in place, it's time for the star, your homemade custard. Carefully pour the cooled, velvety custard over the fruit, ensuring it fills all the gaps. Then, crown your trifle with a luxurious layer of freshly whipped cream, sweetened just slightly. For the best results, cover your trifle and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours. This crucial chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to fully meld together. Finally, your magnificent custard trifle is ready for its grand reveal. Before serving, add some final touches. Garnish the top with a sprinkle of fresh berries, delicate chocolate shavings, or a few vibrant mint leaves for a pop of color. Carefully scoop out individual portions, making sure each serving highlights those beautiful, distinct layers you've created. It's a truly impressive dessert that's perfect for any occasion. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.